if you're a beginner, and you think this is too hard, this is because one of my followers, Dragon886, has requested for me to make a tutorial of how to make the broadcast and when I receive tutorial. So I think this is really helpful. So I'm giving a shout out to Dragon886. Okay, so what you want to do is I'm not going to delete the scratch character today. And so I'm going to pick a character from here. I'm going to pick her. So let's say Scratch and Abby are friends or something. So if they're having a conversation, then the one I receive and broadcast blocks are very useful. So when clicked, she's going to say hello. So that's usually the start of a conversation. So on the block space, there's broadcast. Broadcast is basically like a shout to other sprites. But it's not like the broadcast will shout to him immediately. Because then when the broadcast, which is message 1, then he will say hello back. So this is what it looked like at the end. And then, so you wouldn't want to just put another message 1. That's not really how it works. So you want to make a new one. So I'm going to call it message 2. Message 2 is going to be on the broadcast. And then it'll shout to Abby. And then when she receives message 2, she will say, how are you? So every time you make a new one, every time you do this again, you want to make a new broadcast. So it could have different shouts. So thank you for watching, and and once again, I'll give a shout out to Dragon886. So that's how you use broadcast and message 1. If you don't get it at first, you can replay the video while making this project.